Hello and welcome to the daily message for this sixth Sunday of Easter. I want to call your attention today to the gospel reading for today. It comes from the 14th chapter of the Gospel of John. It's part of what is known as the farewell discourse that Jesus gives to the apostles at the Last Supper before his passion and death. And there's one verse in particular that struck me, the one that says, "On that day you will realize that I am in my Father, and you are in me, and I in you." So what I'm struck most by is the simple little word "in." Jesus says, "I am in my Father." What that says to me is that the Son and the Father, Jesus and the Father, are so utterly united in mind and heart. They're so utterly united in their love for each other that Jesus can say, "I am in my Father." But then let's take it just to the next step, where Jesus says, "You are in me and I in you." So Jesus is addressing that to the apostles, but he is at the same time addressing those words to us. So what does it mean to say that we are in Christ? I think what that means is that we have been created with those attributes that make us godly. We are created with the ability to love, to be merciful, to forgive, to be compassionate, to be just. And when we are those things, when we act those ways, we are in Christ. And then to complete the sentence, when we act that way, Christ, God, is in us. And so when we are loving and compassionate and just and merciful, God is so close to us that we can say that God and Christ are in us. Let us share with one another the divinity that Christ has given to us. Let us share it with each other, and let us share it with the world. Thank you for watching. Have a great Sunday.